Stacy, I have to tell you a story about what happened to Matt. You know Matt, my older son, he's a police officer, and he works for Kansas City, Missouri Police Department. One night, he was on a date. Well, he actually works the dog watch, which is the late, from like 7 till 4 in the morning. Well, this one night he had a date, so he went in late. And he was driving along the highway going to work, and all of a sudden he looked up in the mirror and he saw this car. And he thought, that looks like an old police car. And he saw lights on it. And pretty soon the guy was like trying to pull him over. And he was like, what, is this kind of an operation of some kind? And he couldn't figure out what was going on. So he called ahead to the police station where he works, and he said, are you guys doing a special operation? There's somebody behind me in a police car. They're trying to pull me over. And I just am wondering, is it something special that you're doing tonight? And they said, no, but we'll send a car and dispatch it right away and see what's going on. Well, Matt continued on to the police station because he needed to change clothes. And he looked up and saw the police cars coming from the other direction toward him. Well, so did the car behind him. And all of a sudden, the car behind him turned real sharply and went down the other side of the highway and sped up and was going very fast. Well, Matt's like, uh-oh, something's really wrong, and I want to see what's happening. So he drove as fast as he could to the police station and changed his clothes and got his uniform and checked out his car and thought, well, I'm going to follow the pursuit. So they drove he heard from his radio where they were heading, which was down toward Grandview, so he drove as fast as he could within limits to get to Grandview. And he finally caught up with them at Grandview in a yard. And so he got in on the foot chase and everything and got to help tackle the man. Well, this man was kind of a disgruntled employee from a mall. He had lost his job. He'd been a security officer and lost his job, and because he'd been too harsh with people for little nothing things. When they looked in the man's car, he had handcuffs and he had like a pellet gun and things like that. Well, the lesson to be learned, and it was really cool because Matt got to go be on the front of the newspaper and he got to be interviewed on TV, and they kind of use that as an example for women and people when you're out driving at night. Just because you see lights doesn't necessarily mean that it's a real police officer, and you really should be cautious and drive to a lighted place if you're in doubt. And, you know, just kind of, they explained that the difference in lights, that Kansas City, Missouri has different lights than this man had on his car. Even though the man did have an old car that had been a police car, that doesn't always mean you're really a policeman. Well, they did go to court, and the man, of course, got charged with some things, but it was kind of interesting because my son said, what a stupid thing to do is to try and pull over a real police officer while you're pretending to be a police officer.